National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Madera County in Central California, Northwestern Fresno County in Central California, until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bonadel Ranchos Madera Ranchos, or 10 miles northwest of Fresno, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 40 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fresno, Bonadel Ranchos Madera Ranchos, Friant, and Millerdon Lake. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.